Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hanan Salman. I was recommended Turkeyana by my mom. She came last year and got her teeth done, and she had a great experience. So I can say now for myself, I had a great experience as well. We were greeted at the airport by Turkeyana. They came and picked us up, and they dropped us off at the hotel. The service was great. By the next day, they would schedule our appointments and send it to us by text message. So they would come pick us up and drop us right back at the hotel whenever the appointment was scheduled. When we were greeted here at the hospital, it was really great. All the employees were really kind. I want to give a special thank you to Mr. Dilgash. He was very, very, very great. He was the highlight of what made the experience more great because of how he tried to make it so comfortable for us and so welcoming, and he was always there whenever we needed him, and if we had any questions, he was always there to support us. I also want to thank my doctor, Dr. Asgood. He always made sure I didn't feel no pain, I was always comfortable, and yeah, the location of the hospital is also another big thing that was really good, and it's right by the ocean, so that was nice. And yeah, I also want to thank Julia for keeping in contact with my mom to making this a smooth trip. And yeah, I'm gonna just thank everyone, and I would definitely recommend this place.